My topic is the power of influencer marketing, understanding its impact and benefits in detail. Explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Influencer marketing is a type of marketing strategy where brands use a popular and trusted person, such as celebrities or social media influencers, to promote their products or services to a wider audience. This approach can be highly effective in reaching potential customers, increasing brand awareness, and ultimately driving sales. Increased brand visibility. By working with an influencer, your brand can reach and engage with a larger audience, including the influencer's followers. Credibility and trust. Influencers are trusted by their followers, and their endorsement can have a significant impact on their purchasing decisions. Cost effectiveness. In many cases, influencer marketing can be a more cost-effective strategy than traditional advertising, such as TV or print ads. Targeted audience. Influencers often have a specific niche or demographic of followers, allowing brands to target a specific audience with their marketing efforts. Creative content. Influencers are often skilled at creating unique and engaging content that can help showcase a brand's products or services in a fresh, authentic way. Increased conversions. Influencer marketing can lead to higher conversion rates, as followers are more likely to purchase a product or service recommended by an influencer they trust. Overall, influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for brands looking to increase their reach, credibility, and sales. Definition of influencer marketing and its rise in popularity. Brief overview of the power and reach of influencers in the digital age. The role of influencers in shaping consumer behavior. How influencers can sway consumer opinions and purchasing decisions. The psychology behind influencer marketing and its influence on consumer trust. Impact of influencers on brand perception and reputation. Expanding reach and targeting specific audiences. Leveraging influencers to reach larger and niche audiences. Importance of selecting influencers with relevant and engaged followers. Case studies demonstrating the effectiveness of influencer marketing in reaching specific demographics. Building authenticity and credibility. The importance of authentic partnerships between brands and influencers. Strategies for establishing genuine connections with influencers. The role of influencer-generated content in building trust with consumers. Amplifying brand awareness and visibility. How influencer marketing can increase brand exposure and recognition. Utilizing influencers to generate buzz around new product launches or campaigns. Measuring the impact of influencer marketing on brand awareness metrics. Driving conversions and sales. The ability of influencers to drive traffic, leads, and conversions. Strategies for incorporating persuasive calls to action in influencer campaigns. Tracking and measuring the ROI of influencer marketing in terms of sales and revenue. Enhancing social media engagement and user-generated content. Encouraging user engagement through influencer collaborations. Leveraging user-generated content from influencer campaigns. How influencer marketing can boost social media interactions and brand loyalty. Overcoming challenges and mitigating risks. Potential pitfalls and challenges in influencer marketing. Strategies for selecting and vetting influencers to ensure brand alignment. Navigating disclosure and compliance regulations in influencer partnerships. Future trends and innovations in influencer marketing. Emerging trends in influencer marketing, such as nano-influencers and virtual influencers. The integration of influencer marketing with new technologies, for example, augmented reality, virtual reality. Predictions for the future of influencer marketing and its evolving landscape. Recap of the impact and benefits of influencer marketing. Emphasis on the importance of strategic planning, authenticity, and measuring results. Encouragement for brands to embrace influencer marketing as a powerful tool for achieving marketing objectives. Research and choose the right influencer. It's not just about finding an influencer with the most followers or the biggest audience. Look for an influencer who has a genuine connection to your industry or brand, and whose values and personality align with your own. Take the time to research and analyze their past partnerships and content to determine if they are a good fit for your brand. Set clear goals and objectives. Before beginning an influencer marketing campaign, clearly define your goals and objectives. This will help you measure the success of your campaign and ensure that your content aligns with your brand's values and objectives. Goals can range from increasing brand awareness, generating website traffic, increasing sales, or improving brand engagement. Develop an authentic partnership. Successful influencer marketing campaigns require authentic partnerships between the brand and the influencer. Ensure that the influencer understands your brand and marketing goals, and work to co-create content that speaks to your shared audience. This could include writing blog posts, creating social media posts, or even hosting a joint event. Use data to measure success. A key advantage of influencer marketing is the ability to track and measure the success of your campaign. Use data and analytics to track engagement rates, reach, and conversion rates to determine the effectiveness of your campaign. This will allow you to adjust your content and partnership strategy as needed to ensure success. Stay up to date with trends and best practices. Influencer marketing is a rapidly evolving field, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Follow industry influencers and publications, attend industry events, and network with other marketing professionals to stay informed and ahead of the curve. Consider micro-influencers. While it may be tempting to work with a celebrity or macro-influencer, consider working with micro-influencers as well. These are influencers who have a smaller, but highly engaged audience. They can be more affordable and may have a more niche audience that aligns with your brand. Don't overlook the power of authenticity and engagement over follower count. Be transparent about sponsored content. It's important to be transparent and disclose sponsored content to your audience. Influencers should clearly label sponsored posts and include the appropriate disclosures to avoid any ethical or legal issues. This will also build trust with your audience and ensure that your campaigns are authentic and effective. Maintain ongoing relationships. Influencer marketing should be viewed as an ongoing relationship, rather than a one-time transaction. Take the time to invest in building a long-term partnership with your chosen influencers. This will foster trust, improve the quality of content, and help to ensure that your campaigns are effective over time. Don't forget about the power of user-generated content. In addition to partnering with influencers, consider leveraging user-generated content, UGC, as part of your influencer marketing strategy. Encourage customers and fans to share their experiences with your brand, and feature their photos and stories on your social media channels or website. This can be a powerful way to build brand engagement and trust. Overall, influencer marketing can be a highly effective way to reach and engage with your target audience. By following these tips, you can choose the right influencer partner and develop a successful campaign that aligns with your brand's values and objectives. Influencer marketing. Defining influencer marketing and its growing significance in the digital age. Exploring the role of influencers as trusted content creators and opinion leaders. The impact of influencer marketing. Examining the reach and impact of influencers in shaping consumer behavior. Case studies showcasing successful influencer marketing campaigns and their outcomes. Discussing the rise of influencer-driven trends in viral marketing. Building trust and authenticity. Understanding the influence of authenticity in influencer marketing. Exploring how influencers establish credibility and trust with their audience. The importance of transparency and disclosure in influencer brand partnerships. Targeting and reaching the right audience. Identifying the right influencers for your target market and niche. Strategies for aligning influencer demographics and audience with brand objectives. Leveraging influencer partnerships to access specific and niche markets. Amplifying brand awareness and exposure. Harnessing the power of influencer reach to expand brand visibility. Discussing the potential for increased brand recognition through influencer collaborations. Exploring the impact of influencer content on brand recall and memorability. Influencer-generated content and engagement. The role of influencers as content creators and their ability to engage audiences. Utilizing influencer-generated content to enhance brand storytelling and messaging. Encouraging user-generated content and building a community around the brand. Driving conversions and sales. Analyzing the influence of influencers on consumer purchase decisions. The effectiveness of influencer-driven affiliate marketing and discount codes. Measuring the impact of influencer marketing on sales and ROI. Influencer marketing and social media platforms. Exploring the dominant social media platforms for influencer marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Discussing platform-specific strategies and best practices. The role of emerging platforms and their potential for influencer marketing. Challenges and considerations. Addressing common challenges and risks associated with influencer marketing. Navigating issues such as fake followers, influencer fraud, and transparency. Compliance with advertising regulations and disclosure requirements. Future trends and innovations. Discussing the marketing. Predicting the future of influencer marketing and emerging trends. The impact of new technologies, AR, VR, AI, on influencer marketing campaigns. By exploring these subtopics, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the power and benefits of influencer marketing in today's digital landscape. Influencer marketing. Defining influencer marketing and its role in modern advertising. Brief history and evolution of influencer marketing. The influence of social media. Exploring the rise of social media platforms and their impact on marketing. Understanding the connection between influencers and social media. Building trust and authenticity. Examining why influencer marketing is effective in building trust with audiences. The role of authenticity and relatability in influencer marketing campaigns. Expanding reach and engagement. How influencers help brands reach wider audiences and drive engagement. Leveraging influencer networks to increase brand visibility. Influencers as opinion leaders. The role of influencers as opinion leaders and trendsetters. Understanding the influence of influencers on consumer behavior. Targeting specific audiences. Exploring the ability of influencers to reach niche and specific target audiences. Tailoring influencer partnerships to match brand objectives. Creating authentic content. The importance of influencer-created content in driving brand awareness. Balancing brand messaging with influencer creativity. Metrics and measurement. Key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the success of influencer marketing campaigns. Measuring ROI and analyzing the impact of influencer partnerships. Collaboration and partnership strategies. Developing effective influencer collaboration strategies. Negotiating contracts and managing influencer relationships. Influencer marketing success stories. Showcasing real-world examples of successful influencer marketing campaigns. Learning from brands that have effectively utilized influencer partnerships. Challenges and pitfalls of influencer marketing. Discussing potential challenges and risks associated with influencer marketing. Addressing issues such as fake followers, influencer fraud, and transparency. The future of influencer marketing. Emerging trends and predictions for the future of influencer marketing. The evolving landscape of influencer brand relationships. By delving into these subtopics, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the impact and benefits of influencer marketing, helping you navigate this dynamic and influential marketing strategy. Once your influencer campaign is up and running, make sure to measure the results and adjust your strategy as needed. Use metrics like engagement rates, follower growth, web traffic, and sales to track the success of your campaign. Based on these metrics, adjust your approach to improve future campaigns and maximize your ROI. It's important to set specific, measurable goals before launching your influencer campaign, so you can accurately measure your results. For example, if your goal is to increase website traffic, track the number of clicks and conversions resulting from your influencer's promotion. If your influencer campaign isn't performing as well as you had hoped, don't be afraid to make changes. Consider adjusting your messaging, targeting a different audience, or partnering with a different influencer. Continuously evaluating and adjusting your strategy will ultimately lead to more successful campaigns in the future. Additionally, make sure to keep an open line of communication with your influencer throughout the campaign. They can provide valuable insights on the audience's reception to the promotion and offer suggestions on how to improve the campaign. Lastly, don't forget to measure your return on investment, ROI, for the influencer campaign. Calculate how much money you spent on the campaign and compare it to the revenue generated from the campaign. This will help you determine if the campaign was successful and if it's worth investing in influencer marketing in the future. You can also track metrics such as engagement rates, reach, clicks, and conversions to get a better understanding of the campaign's performance. Use this data to optimize future campaigns for better results. In conclusion, influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for increasing brand awareness, driving sales, and building trust with consumers. By following these tips and best practices, you can create successful and effective influencer campaigns that yield great results for your business. Remember to always choose influencers that align with your brand values and target audience, provide clear guidelines and expectations for the campaign, and foster authentic relationships with your influencers. With a thoughtful approach and careful planning, influencer marketing can be a valuable strategy for any business looking to grow and reach new audiences. Additionally, it's important to measure the ROI of your influencer campaigns to ensure that they are effectively driving results for your brand. This can be done through tracking metrics such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and overall sales attributed to the campaign. By analyzing the data and making adjustments to your approach as needed, you can continuously improve and optimize your influencer marketing strategy. Remember, influencer marketing is not a one-time effort but rather a long-term relationship-building strategy that requires consistent effort. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.